Buenos días, buenos días, buenos días. Buenos días. Dímelo, Lucci.
Dímelo, bro, ¿cómo tú estás?
¿Qué es la que hay? ¿Todo bien? Aquí estamos. Me comí.
Papi, yo soy como like three shades darker here, bro. ¿Tú me ves?
Sí, yo te iba a decir lo mismo. Tenía. De hecho, tenía hasta sunblock cuando llegaste. Eso era 3 shades, 4 shades, probably. Pero eso.
No, es que siempre yo lo pongo.
Sí.
Siempre yo lo pongo, pero a la misma vez, I still get dark. Like, no importa qué yo hago, I still get dark. A mí me gusta.
Sí, sí, ese es el flow. Ese es el
A
flow
mí me gusta.
latino, bro. O sea, se te está pegando, tú sabes, el colorcito.
Sí,
Colorcito moreno.
sí, exacto. Por eso estoy buscando una morenita, bro, que me entiende.
So, cuando tú estás en Trade Space, tú eres Lucci. Cuando tú estás en la playa, tú eres Lucho.
La gente me llama tantas cosas. Gingy me llama Lucci Boy. Lucci Boy. Hey, Lucci Boy.
Lucci Boy.
Mira, esa noticia que salió de tu pantalla, ¿qué es?
Sí, te lo iba a
¿Qué es?
enseñar. So, yo quiero ir para aquí, man. So, tú sabes que podemos hacer un road trip de
Mm.
diferentes coworks, bro. Porque aquí en Santurce hay
Ujú.
mucho. Y Parallel, tú sabes cuál es Parallel, ¿verdad? Obvio.
Sí, 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 claro. Pero
So,
nunca hemos estado ahí. Yo creo que yo estaba ahí para hacer un evento o algo así.
de verdad.
Mm.
So, si tú supieras que esta fue el primer cowork space que yo supe aquí de Puerto Rico, porque
Ujú.
por encima de piloto, porque ellos
Ujú.
iban mucho a Mayagüez, a los job fairs.
Ajá.
Ellos iban a los
Ah.
job fairs, ellos tenían interns y tenían muchas cosas de allá de Mayagüez. So, yo llegué a aplicar y todos para ellos y llegué hasta a conversar, porque ellos obviamente tenían muchos estudiantes en Mayagüez, so, vuelvo y te digo. Como que allá hacen muchos como estudio y trabajo y todas esas cosas para que los estudiantes aprendan, etcétera.
Mm.
Pero aquí lo que la noticia dice es que trajeron 11 países para su nuevo ciclo de aceleración. So, tú sabes que ellos hacen como estas rondas de startups.
Ah.
So, pues parece que, mira, anunció la selección de 21 empresas
Mm.
con diferentes países. So, al principio ellos solamente eran de Puerto Rico, ahora pues son
Wow.
de diferentes países. Y si no me equivoco, todas las startups que empiezan con ellos tienen que tener algún componente de tech, como un de tecnología,
Sí, no, claro.
obvio.
Sí.
So, yeah, ellos aportan $60,000 al ganador, bro.
Wow.
Más las conexiones y todo eso. So, hay que ir para allá, mira. Después las exploramos.
Sí. Wow. Wow. Pero es un pitch competition o algo así.
O sea,
Wow.
ellos hacen como, ellos trabajan todos en equipo.
Ajá.
So, es como, por ejemplo, Oye. Tú sabes que
Ajá.
Oye tiene sus estudiantes y cada cual tiene su negocio y van cogiendo unas clases por 3 semanas, por 3 meses. So,
Mira,
eh,
todos los nombres de todos esos negocios de Argentina, fútbol, exacto, de Uruguay, de
mira,
Perú,
mira esto,
mira,
CryptoMate. Vamos a buscar qué es esto.
Cryptomate y Flexit. Wow.
CryptoMate Argentina.
Wow. Bueno, mi gente, vamos a empezar con los earnings de AI y CRM. AI here reported earnings. Supposedly it wasn't that bad. Um, but the shit is down like a motherfucker here. And then you got the CRM, which is down like another motherfucker, which is down another 15 points here. But if you look at CRM is up what? The stock is up double, possibly even more. You know what I mean? And then you have the CRWD, exactly. So these are the three names that you have that, for your Momo names or whatever. Problem is, I don't trade any single one of them except for the AI. Bruce is saying I have 30 puts on AI. Should I hold? Ask ChatGPT or ask Yo Mama. Um, Nvidia. I don't know. There was a weird program at the close yesterday. So if you look at the close yesterday, it was a weird program at the close, and then if you look at Apple, weird candle on the Apple. again, does it mean anything? Absolutely not. You're gonna see programs like this all over the place. As far as action today, Meta was like unusually bullish yesterday, so maybe you get the tick up there. Let's take a look at BTC. Let's take a look at this BTC. BTC is dead here. Dead sauce 27. Right? This shit ain't doing shit. Chewy, yeah, that's CHWY. So there's another. Whoa. So did this report earnings? Oh. Oh. All right. So now you pique my interest here. Now you pique my interest here. And then somebody's talking about that CVNA. Where is that CVNA? Please don't tell me this thing is up. Oh. All right. So we still got an arc possibility. You still got an arc possibility here, right? So that they move, let's say, into the arc names, right? I still love the sell call idea on the Nvidia, man. Shit, I should have taken that, man. I had those 400 calls from fucking like could have got $5 for premium on those. Herbed it up there on that one. Let's take a look at the Microsoft. That ENPH was moving decent yesterday. You know, maybe you get some upside here. Overall, shit. I think we're gonna get a trash ass day again. That AVGO. If you can get, and then remember we were talking about that swing short on AZO. Let's see how this thing opens up, and then let's see if we take a shot on this one. Tesla. Tesla might have some legs higher today. Actually, all right. This is the one. I'll throw out a lotto here on the 205s for the Tesla. All right. Okay, and then y'all are talking about the BA. Don't fucking fuck with me on this BA. There's no breakout on this BA, all right? So GP Raber, breakout of what? For the last 6 months, this thing has been doing jack shit. We'll be talking about breakouts on this thing. Maybe, yeah, maybe you can get a move up to 210 on it. You know. Now, who got the AMC? None of y'all motherfuckers did, including me. Okay, that's CVNA though, and the other one that you guys were talking about, that's CHWY. This one. Usually when you get an earnings shift and they, you know, change the character of the way something's been trading for a while, that CHWY has been getting smoked. And now all of a sudden you got this, right? So I kind of like this. But I think the better way to play it is through the stock. So maybe let's do that. I gotta fucking order something before I die. And I gotta put some lotion on my damn face. What do we got here? What do we got here? Sarah V. Sarah V. Okay. Okay. Tengo punto 40.
Oye, Lucci,
Dímelo.
¿tú te acuerdas que ayer yo te pregunté que si yo quería comprar AI? ¿Tú te acuerdas que te hice esa pregunta?
Ajá, sí.
¿Cómo yo puedo
Okay.
comprar eso?
Ok. So, ¿tú abriste una cuenta todavía?
En Ameritrade.
Ameritrade. Okay, so
Yo lo tengo accesible ahora mismo en Robinhood. En Robinhood, por ejemplo, ¿se podría comprar eso?
okay, so enséñanos tu pantalla en Robinhood. Tú puedes acceder en las cuentas por el sitio
And,
web también.
ok, pues dale, déjame ver.
So do that and then show it to us. We'll show you how to do it.
Ok.
Um, Egert here is saying, Lucci, you need to open up an OnlyFans with that. What a herb. Michelle, good morning. DJ had a nice continuation short. Do you have some tips for better options execution? It's always a mid price between DG. What is that? Dollar General? Oh,
Ok.
damn. This thing got smoked. Enséñame.
Mira, ok, ya estoy aquí. So, ¿cómo yo podría hacer eso?
Okay, everybody, we're gonna show Joel how to buy AI in his account. Okay, so he looks like he's got $500. So, okay, so let's go to search and then just type in AI. AI.
Y este.
¿Ya tú lo hiciste?
Sí.
Yo yo no puedo verlo. Ahí está. Es
So,
que
esto.
estoy viendo el stream y
Ah, no.
no directamente a tú. So, hay un delay.
Ya entiendo, ya entiendo. So, entré.
Ah,
Esto es
ajá.
AI. C3 AI es un AI.
Exacto. Eso es ChatGPT. Eso es ChatGPT.
Ok.
So tú haces order type, cambia a market.
Ah,
Tú puedes cambiarlo,
¿en
you know,
dónde?
a la derecha,
Ya.
abajo de Buy AI,
Ajá.
okay? Y después tú vas a cambiar el buy-in en dollars, right? So tú vas a cambiar la cantidad en dólares.
Ya.
So voy a poner, oh, tú no puedes elegir market. Okay, so you can't even do market. Okay, so vamos a poner limit. Y voy a poner en dólares y va a poner la cantidad que tú quieres comprar. So let's do $250. Well, how much do you want to buy? You want to buy $100, $200? What do you want to buy?
Pueden ser 200, vamos a poner.
Vamos a poner 200.
Pero en
So
limit
pongo,
order. En limit order.
ajá, ajá. Tú tienes que poner el precio de 32.50 o algo así, o 30, 32.60.
Ok.
So ponga ese limit order ahí.
¿Tú lo ves?
Uh, See, Adam, market orders work for me in the pre-market, bro. But I'm special. You just a herb. Okay? And now you're gonna put tú tienes que poner shares. Eso es una mierda.
Porque yo le di. Mira. So, yo puedo cambiar. Estas son las opciones que te da para poder hacer las diferentes transacciones. No sé si puedes ver la
Exacto,
pantalla.
exacto, exacto. Eso es.
Ok.
So cuando el mercado abre, tú vas a tener la orden de market. So you can go market once the market opens.
Exacto.
Okay.
Ok,
So
so.
vamos a esperar hasta que el mercado abre.
Dale.
And then we'll do it. We'll do it together.
Ya está.
Joel's gonna buy AI and he's gonna sell it at $100. He's gonna sell it at $100. Um, coño, me duele mi rodilla. All right, what do you guys got? Give me something. Bring me something. Bring me something. The rest of this looks like shit. Let's look at NVIDIA AMD. Honestly, we could get a nice bounce on NVIDIA AMD considering the last couple days of selling. Somebody's talking about Roblox here. Roblox had a nice day yesterday. I didn't realize that. Was there news on Roblox yesterday? There's a big gap on Roblox. If Roblox moves, remember, this is all ARC shit, right? This is all ARC shit, right? UCAR, right? We all know about, oh, whoa. What the fuck is this U power? Can you get shares of this? What is this? What is this? All right, if we try to locate 10,000 shares of UCAR, they tell us that the cost is $500, which is not that bad. What is this thing? Somebody tell me what this is. China company? Some BS agreement news? UCAR equals China scam? All right, say no more. All right, we got the locate for 10,000 shares. And we are in with 1,000 shares. All right, let's go ahead and short. All right, we're in with 1,000 shares. Somebody's talking about that target. Well, I guess they shouldn't have designed onesies for babies with little dick holes in them. I'm gonna get banned. That's it. That's it. We're getting shut down. That's it. Oh yeah, no, I've been planning on getting a nice little list from him. Yo, Chris, you on this U car? SoFi, yeah, that's SoFi, man. Man, I gotta fucking Target, man. You guys saw this. I mean, you guys saw why. Yo, that's great feedback though. You know what I mean? It's like boom. You guys made this decision for your company and nobody liked it and the market didn't like it. And that's it. UCAR float is only 14, right, 14 million. So this could go to $10. This could go to $20. Keep an eye on the Meta, keep an eye on the Tesla. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull Tesla up and just have it up on the radar down here, and then I'm gonna pull Chewy up, right, and then see if because I like that. I'm also gonna, let me see if I can wait for a dip on the Chewy, bro. Um, hedged this gap down with selling Friday's calls yesterday. Collected some nice premium. See what happens. Nice. Um, that Microsoft actually. Oh, 500 bucks for 10,000 shares. Check out this Microsoft this morning here. It's already kind of gapping down. Remember, I had the short puts, I had the long puts on these. They're selling this Microsoft off the open. Again, would I put too much weight on it? No. Duke is saying UCAR looking dangerous, bro. Everything looks dangerous. Shit, it all looks dangerous. Breathe it out. Thank you, bro. It's all fucking dangerous. Do a wellness check. Dude, I forgot about pins. He said do a wellness check. That's hilarious. Fuck pins, man. Avgo earnings, right? Is that when did the Avgo earnings come out? Was it? Did they come out yesterday or did they come out today? What's going on with the Avgo? It looks good for a short, man. Now remember, we had the FCNCA yesterday and we covered it. I have a feeling this thing's gonna have a fucking 50-point down day, and I might go ahead and get another 1,000 shares short or something like that. Yeah, take a look at the Netflix here. It's stronger. Er, 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 er. CVNA here up all point. I kind of like these arc names here, but again, you never know what's going to happen here. CRWD, right. All right. Joel, give me like 10 minutes here. We're going to get to you. Wellness check on pins. Piece of shit. All right, that U car here dumped here off the open a little bit. I don't know if I should go ahead and get more. Let me just go ahead and watch some tape a little bit. But check out the let's check out the Tesla and then watch the flow here off the open. See if they're going ahead and buying anything interesting. Let's also check that Chewy here. Chewy calls here. The 35s for this week are going for a buck. Actually, that's pretty good, man. That's pretty fucking good. I'm gonna buy a quarter of those. As far as this U car, I don't know. Y'all tell me here. What are we doing on this? What do you want to do here? I bought more of the Chewy. Yo, that Tesla shit. 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 Well, I can't buy it up here. Um, somebody's in this Chewy option. Somebody's in this Chewy option. See if you can get a dip. See if you can get a dip on the Tesla. This Microsoft is weak. The Microsoft is weak. Damn. 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 On the Tesla. Y'all got to take a look at this. Abrieron los números, Natalia. All right, here's your dip on the Tesla. So we should kind of buy this dip, no? Or vamos a esperar un poco entonces. Check out that Chewy, guys. Check out that Chewy. I only got a 50 lot. The fucking options almost doubled here. Hang on, I gotta do some shit here. I forgot about that U car, but that Tesla's already going, man. We fucking missed it. Fucking missed it. That U car is weak as shit, bro. Fuck it. Let's sell another 1,000 of these. Let's sell another 1,000 on the U car. Guys, we basically doubled our money on the fucking CHWY. Let's just sell. I sold half on the CHWY. I kind of want to sell a shit ton of the U car. Yo, Chris, I got 5,000 shares of the U car going. Yeah. I have no idea where to cover this though. Where's that FCNCA? Look at that FCNCA. I mean, I still think it's a good short. Let's pull up the Tesla. All right, here's a fade on the Tesla. What do y'all got? Let me pull up this pins. I'm getting smoked on pins, per usual. No fucking surprise there. Let's see if the market wants to rip back here. Meta here, we were talking about off the open here, because that, yep. Notice they're giving you these moves right off the open here. You can't even catch them. First 5 fucking minutes like that, man. It's bullshit. Press low SPY. Let's take a look at AI 31. Let's look at this flow. Somebody bought some puts on AI, $30 calls, PLTR puts here. They're buying. Let's look at that ARC. Nothing. Pins. Nothing. All right. Let's try to get focused here. I'm just gonna go ahead and bury the rest of. Wow. Yo, Tesla retraced the whole move up. Yo, you might see the same thing happen on that meta. Careful on that meta, yo. Careful on that fucking meta. Gomez, yeah, we seeing it over here. Where's that U car? Chilling. BA. Man, man. I should have bought more of that CHWY. I think I'm gonna bury the rest of it though. I'm gonna bury the rest of it on the CHWY. Those Tesla options got smoked. 201 Tesla. Careful, guys. Today might be a tricky ass day. Let's take a look at that meta. Let's take a look at this U car here. U car here holding. This thing might go to highs. AMD Nvidia. Nvidia's up 7. This thing hit 388 here. Let's take a look at Melly. Let's take a look at AZO. AZO doing nothing. Remember, we did want to short this thing. GS and let's take a lap around the club here. GS BAC. Hay que bajar el. All right, let's see if market comes back. Banks here kind of popped. CHW, that was a good exit. Let's take a look at this U car. U car is doing nothing. I like that long on Nvidia. I like that long on Nvidia, but I don't think you're going to be able to. I think you got to scalp it. You really got to scalp it. Let's take a look at the meta. The Google's doing absolutely nothing. You know, bonds sold. SMCI. Is that ripping? Is that right? SMCI. Yo, that Tesla. That Tesla. 200. 200 on that Tesla. I'd go for the bounce on this Tesla. It's move. You could scalp this thing. But again, I don't. I want to fucking. I want to make some money. As far as SPY here, SPY's just kind of in a new range now. Question is can it hold and, you know, what's the word here in general? It's the fat man names that are weaker today. I'm gonna go ahead and sell some puts down here though. Very small to start. Very far out of the money. The 4140s here is where I'm gonna start. And we're trading 4180 right now pretty much. So 4140s looks pretty good. All right, so I'll sell a 30-point spread there. 4140s, buy 4110s. All right, so I sold 25 of those just to start. Yo, check out that CHWY. Check out that CHWY, yo. It's back to 37. I think there's a regime change here, you know what I mean? And then people are just going to climb into this because they got it wrong, right? And then you got shorts needing to cover. These are really solid trades sometimes. We can just kind of stick around and look at things like this. BA 209, huh? AJ, check out this BA. Yo, check out this Chewy too. Speaking of Chewy, man, I need some fucking food, man. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sell another 25 lot of the SPX puts. AI fresh lows. DG. Michelle was talking about this DG. Uh, wow. CVNA halt down? No way. Comedy. Comedy. Halt down. CVNA. Let's pull up that U car. U car is doing absolutely nothing, but it can't rally. You know what I mean? This shit can't rally. You know, so I kind of I kind of like it for a short, but I don't want to get too early here. All right, so it looks like I got 75 SPY puts. That's Chewy. That's Chewy. I don't think you have to go anywhere else here. If you want a long here, you already know what it is. You got the Chewy and the Meta. The Meta's at highs 270. Fresh highs on Meta 270. The Microsoft is coming back, right? So it's eating back up that shit it was doing this morning. Nice on the CRM. Pins here is a fucking don't even look at it. It's literally a just don't even look at this shit. Netflix 400. All right, so they started to bid some techs here. Started. You know, I don't think this market is a short, even though it looks weak. Win here looks weak. There's certain names here that they're selling. HD, if you notice, like some, they're definitely rotating out of certain stuff. But again, they're still buying. You know what I'm saying? They're still buying. AAL is saying, right? SPX 4160. Where's NVIDIA? Nice on NVIDIA. We had good ideas, man. We just didn't. I didn't stick to them. But it's only 940. It's only 940. Relax. It's all good. We're gonna find something. Yo, let me know when that CVNA opens back up. Covering in Meta. Tyler, nice trade on the Meta. I don't think this thing is done. Let's take a look at the flow here. What are they buying here? Let's take a look at this. They're buying some Tesla puts here for June. LCID puts. Corn CCJ. UPST puts. Nothing really. AAP. Nice flop on that Meta. If you like the Meta here, you can dip by the Meta. AAP, damn, 69, yo. That's bad. That is bad. That's really bad. CXAI, I forgot about this. I like this for a short. All right, let's take a look at this U-car. U-car, pop. Pop on that U-car. This thing ain't a short yet. This thing ain't a short. Might go to 5.5. Let's see if it fades here. If it fades here, I'll start going after that. The Pan W here, this looks like nothing. PMI is coming out at 10 o'clock. You guys, from a SPY perspective, right? It's like if we can't rotate enough to hold us, the lows from yesterday was 416.5. If they're able to get below that, like always have in your mind that it's possible we retrace to 415 and lower, right? It's possible. It's fucking possible. So you don't want to throw that out of your mind. So SPY 417 calls, let's just have them up just have them up to hedge, Let me have them up as a hedge. I just bought 50 of the 417 puts. That Tesla looks whatever. What's going on with that U car? Whatever, I'll leave that U car alone for now. Let's take a look at Tesla. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA got punked out, right? NVIDIA punked out 385. You got to really scalp stuff right here. You can't hold shit. You're not going to get a trend here. So be careful. Citigroup and some of the banks here are starting to sell. All right, I'm going to go ahead and buy some more SPY puts. And then what I'm going to do is cover the fucking short puts that I have. Okay, I'm gonna just cover half, and then I'm gonna get on the call side because I'm starting to feel like a little shift here. Hold on. Get ready for UCAR. What's it doing? Okay. All right. That's what we wanted to see on UCAR. So it made that move up, couldn't sustain it, and then failed, right? So let's short the full 10,000. In fact, let's locate another 10,000. All right. Let's locate that shit. All right. And then let's short another motherfucking 10,000. All right. All right. We got 20,000 shares short. That stupid ass UCAR. Fuck this thing. Okay. Now let me go ahead and close some of these short puts here, and what I want to do is I want to get on the short call side. Mira, Natalia, los números están cambiando bien rapidito. Puede ser otro día bien difícil. All right, let's go ahead and we want to get on the call side now because we're starting to think that, hey, maybe we could sell off. Could. Emphasis on could. All right, so let's sell 25 of those. So now we're back to 25 on both sides, okay? That UCAR, we have 20,000 shares of that UCAR. What are we looking to get out at on that UCAR? Somebody give me, what are we looking to get out at? 450? I'll take fucking 450, 460 all day. $450? All right. Baba here is green. The Melly here is green. Meta here is holding. Google here is up a little bit. You notice like stuff is still very sporadic and things are up and down very small amounts. So again, I don't think we're gonna get the fucking the fire juice. So I think today is gonna be a solid day to write, aka write both sides, make 20 grand, and go home fucking happy. Except you're an asshole and you're losing money on pins because you're an asshole. Duke is saying we could go all the way to $3. We can't go there unless they dump the fucking 480. Unless they dump the 480. If we start printing in the 470s, I'm gonna short some more. My fucking knee is killing me right now, man. I'm gonna go ahead and sell some more calls. But again, it's not like we're selling. You know what I mean? It's just very blah. So that means the options aren't even gonna move that well. So I'd rather just be short both sides here for now. Tesla here faded that off. UCAR here can't break that 480. Can't break 480. All right, fresh lows there, right? So far so good. Let's wait and see if they're able to hit the lows from yesterday. Natalia, I'm short with some SPY puts. I don't have any futures contracts on. But again, I don't like the tape. I don't really like the tape overall. That's super weird. This is not A plus here. Somebody said BA new highs failed, but check out the Microsoft. You see how they covered back the Microsoft? Again, if they start buying tech back, There's no problems here, you know? There's no fucking problems here. All right, there's your dump on the UCAR. I'm going to short another 10,000. All right, I got 30,000 shares of UCAR. All right, now what I need to do is get back in on the short puts. All right, so what I'm going to do is short. I'm going to short 75 of them shits. Short 75 of them shits. I'm going to cover half of the SPY put hedge. All right, somebody also bought a bunch of Netflix calls, the 400s here. Fake breakout possibly on that UCAR. Yep. Yep. They trapped a bunch of us. They trapped a good amount of people there. Be careful here on this UCAR. Yeah, that was a trap. That was a fat trap right there. Fat trap right there on that UCAR. Watch out for this thing now. All right, fresh lows on the SPY. I'm gonna go ahead and buy back in on the SPY puts. Okay, so we have the call side. Whoops. All right, let's go ahead and recover some of the short puts here, because remember we have the short calls. Yeah, they're trading like shit, man. They're fucking trading like shit. This UCAR, careful guys. Careful on the short. It should not. I'm flopping around way too much here too. I'm flopping around way too much here. All right, so it's time to chill. I can feel myself starting to overtrade here when there's just nothing. So what I need to do is go with what I know, right? And that's going to be somebody saying I really want to see a swipe to 419, scare fresh bears, and that's the level I want to hit. Risk, blah 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 blah. CVNA new highs, huh? CVNA open back up and it's rallying. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I got nothing. They're buying some meta calls here, but they're buying time. Snap puts here. You're seeing the flow's pretty mixed. The flow's very mixed, so that also gives you a clue of what's going on here. Snow here is still climbing. Let's do another lap around the club here. Again, I don't want to overtrade. I do not want to overtrade. That shit leads you to just fucking 100K day losses and fucking unnecessary shit. That Netflix does look strong though. Does look strong. Nvidia, check out Nvidia. They popped that Nvidia back here. You know, you got them holding Microsoft here. Again, this is a tough fucking market right here. AZO kind of chilling here. Where's that Melly here? Melly here kind of drifting off. But again, still shit. AMD not really doing much. What do you guys got? What do you guys? That UCAR here, we're waiting. We're waiting. This one's a tough one. They don't want to break down 480 and hold down 480. Until that happens, This thing's got a squeeze potential written all over it. Again, I like the short both sides trade, and I think I can basically scratch and have a decent break even day today, and I'm happy with that. It's because look at this tape. This tape is fucking trash. Gold. Gold. SPX still in the range, blah, blah, blah. Seems like a shit day. I want to sell and go away, Tyler. Wasting away. I'm going to cover 15,000 shares of the problem is if I do that myself, let me wait. Let me wait. Now it's Diamond is saying get your 20K and go to the gym. Papi, ya yo jugué beach tennis, bro. You want me to go to the gym too, bro? It's more like get your 20K and go and eat. I'm going to have a nice lunch. Buying semis again. Yeah, man. Let's just keep doing laps here around the club. Um, Let me go ahead and sell another 10 lot of the SPY puts here. Right. The actual long SPY puts in a tape like this is a horrible idea. So I'm gonna just get rid of this whole thing. Forget about this shit. Right. Let me just go ahead and sell more of the puts as well, because we know them shits are going nowhere. Okay. Um, Guys, other than that, I don't have anything. Digital Xander saying every option on my radar getting smoked so far. Usually a signal early to not get crazy. Remember, you got ISM, PLTR. They're buying 42 calls for a year out. I like those, actually. I do like those. Let's take a look at PLTR. Let's take a look at the CVNA. Right. Let's take a look at ARC. ARC swooping up here. Remember, I dumped the bought in the money calls on target. All right. How much leverage do I have? I got plenty of leverage, yo. All right, let's sell more of the puts. CRWD is beasting, huh? Where's that Chewy? Where's that Chewy? We caught a nice move on that. Nvidia's up 12. Nvidia's up 12, yo. Nvidia's up 12. Tesla here. Tesla here even scoop back up. Notice you got big fat ass ranges here and nothing's doing anything. Digital Xander, it will become your pins. That's exactly what will happen. Michelle is saying SPX is lagging. Still nice short calls. Yeah, I still like it. I'm still gonna have the short both sides trade here going. Natalia, ¿qué tú crees de esa mierda? Sí, ese mismo, ¿verdad? Sí, sí. Y si tú ves la rotación, they're buying Nvidia y par de otro nombre, and pero todo está arriba y abajo bien poco. PLTR, you got an event here. Remember, the ISM is about to come out here, so let's see what bullshit this brings. Meta here, they're buying the 275 calls here. That's for next week, and they're buying almost $1 million of that shit. Keep that in mind. Remember, the longer they hold the market higher, the more it is likely we continue to go higher, right? Hence why I'm in this pins, but hence why I am also a piece of shit for choosing the pins, because pins is a piece of shit. That's what it is. All right, ISM news. Let's see what the algos do here. I need to order some food, man. I'm gonna order from one of my spots. Yo, but I told myself I was not gonna do Uber Eats this year. I already failed that fucking task though. Jesus, I failed that shit. Yo, the last time I ordered from this shit was in fucking Pinecrest, Florida. Jesus. Oh, so that doesn't count. I was on vacation, yo. Watch the tape on UCAR. Someone holding up the 490s. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Right now, this tape is not telling me anything. It's not telling me that I'm wrong. It's not telling me that I'm right. But the problem is, if you're in that middle place, you don't want to leave it. You don't want to leave it out for too long. If you leave it out for too long, yet. Right? Um, Let me get this red mango action going on here. Chicken tomato pesto. Spinach tortilla. Man, I need the heart beater. Yeah. Let me get this little green juice going here. Oh, yeah. Go to checkout. Checkout, motherfucker. No thanks. Priority. Pay an extra dollar. You motherfuckers. Yo, the taxes and all this shit? Get the fuck out of here. Oh, I got my Amex benefit here. All right. All right. Add tip? Fuck out of here. I ain't gonna no tip for y'all. Y'all already charging me delivery fees and shit. Sorry, guys. All right. Swinging meta calls next week. I like that. I like that. I think you're getting, well, I don't think you're getting the greatest price for this. I think you would have got a better price yesterday if you bought it yesterday. You got to kind of wait for the flushes on this. If you're gonna go long something, you got to wait for the flushes on this, and then just keep, and then just buying them. You know what I mean? Somebody saying I suck if I don't tip, bro. Listen, fuck Uber, okay? Fuck Uber. It's Uber's fault. All right. If the driver hits me up, I'll tell the driver, listen, no hard feelings. It's your company's fault. Okay? Your company is raping us, is bending us all over, and fucking smoking us. That's what he's doing. Okay, notice program moves up here. I think we're gonna get some pain here on our short calls. Remember, it's the beginning of the day here, so we're I think I'm still too early on this. Um, Let me get my fucking automation up here. That way I'll stop out of this. Just in case anything happens. Tengo mundo 40. Of what? It sucks. This tape is shit. It's not. It could be, but it might not be. Yeah. Yeah. It could be, but it might also, just not be. That makes any sense. We still have some leverage, so I would like to cover some of the calls that I wrote. I'm gonna cover some of these for a loss. Lucci, te comieron los dulces ayer. Ay, ay, cabrón. Ay, ay, ay. Un equipo nos partieron en el primer partido, pero el segundo, ganamos el segundo. Pero, bro, yo jugaba malísimo, bro. Malísimo. All right, so what I'm going to do now is move up on the short puts. I covered the short calls for now, and then I'm going to move up on the short puts. All right, let's get jiggy with it over here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and write 50 of these. Okay, so we write 50 of these, and then we call it a motherfucking day over here. You know what I mean? Right, so if I go to the bank on these, that's another 15 grand, right? And then all I gotta do is make money on the fucking. All I gotta do is make money on the other shit, whatever the hell that is. In reality, I probably got out. I probably got out a little bit too early on the. I probably could have worked my way out of the call side on the SPX, but why fucking fight with it? You know what I mean? I'm not trying to fight with it. Enjoying overreach? No. How can we improve? By not raping yo customers with your fucking fees. I wonder if somebody actually reads this shit. Nice pop. Nice pop. I think we go to 419. 419 is where we gapped to, right? So we're flat now. I think we go to 419. I think there's plenty of names here. So if you look at meta, bro, this could be it here. You know, meta here, they're buying the 275s for next week. And they put $1 million on that shit, bro. Put a fucking $1 million on that shit. I'll tell you what they're not gonna buy. Anybody want to guess what they're not gonna buy? You want to guess? I'll tell you what they going. I'll tell you what they're never gonna buy. You already know the answer to this question. And the name is Pinterest. Roblox. Check the Roblox. This is into the gap now on the Roblox. This is interesting, man. Natalia, tenemos un TT2, una posibilidad. Okay. Okay. ¿Por qué no hay? Server disconnected. What are you talking about? Disconnected. Oh, I don't know what it's talking about here. I gotta open it again. What the fuck do you need pins for? No, my automation is not working. That is lovely. Netflix Meta, yeah, it's probably both going to be centered around those two. But even look at the arc. Look at the arc in the Roblox. This Roblox, remember, it's a this thing could be a 10-point mover here. I think we should get a lotto here, at least on the Roblox. Right, so let's get a lotto ticket. Right, so let's buy Roblox next week 45s. Right, what are those going for? 45s on the Roblox. 45s on the Roblox are going for 65 cents. Fuck that. Let's take that. Fuck. Let's take that. All right, let's buy 100 of those. Bought 100 of those. I'm now break even on UCAR. In reality, my cost for UCAR is shit. It should be 5.25. If it was 5.25, I'm in that ass. You know what I mean? Herbed. Herbed. Duke, yo, don't be cheerleading out here, bro. Don't be a herb. You being a herb. Did we buy that AI? $33 on the AI. Nice comeback. Um, Esta chuki, yo mato por ella. PLTR. PLTR, man. PLTR and CVNA. I mean, these are names that could fucking squeeze, bro. Could fucking squeeze. Yo mato por ella. All right, here's that UCAR. Probably gonna take me out over here. Yep, yep. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people that are gonna get stung over here on this one. I went ahead and covered 10,000 shares. I gotta go ahead and take this loss. All good though. Got 20,000 shares left on the UCAR, but I think they trapped a bunch of shorts. And if they got a cover and this thing's got barely any fucking float on it, whatever the hell it is, that's a problem. That is a problem. I went ahead and covered some more, and boom, I launched a fucking huge move up on this thing, just myself alone. There's your fresh highs on SPY. Fresh highs on SPY. I'm gonna make 15 grand back on this, so I mean it's not that big of a deal on the short puts. Now the question is should I get more aggressive? What else can we buy? What else can we buy and they're actually buying? It's Netflix and Meta. We already know. We already fucking know. Why am I making it complicated? Right? So let's go with the Meta. Right? We're buying next week 275. We already know it's going for $4 though, which is fucking crazy. Let's buy 50 to start on the Meta here and start buying dips on the Meta. Right? And all they're doing is rotating again and again and again and again and again. JK is saying, Lucci, I'm sure puts on a lot of stuff. Your positioning similar. I mean, you can see my positions, so you would know. Just fucking look at what I got. $5 on the June Moran is saying. He's talking about 15 grand and you can't even tip on Uber Eats. Bro, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. All right, I'm in Vegas. I'm at the Win. And they got that new shit, right? Where if you move the popcorn, if you move one of the snacks, if you just move it, it has the sensor where it knows that you moved the motherfucker. Okay? Now, in 30 seconds, if you don't put that shit back, $20 dinged on your credit card. Okay? Ask me if I'm gonna tip anybody at the fucking Win after that. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter what I'm making. It's about the principle of the motherfucking thing. Okay? The principles. There's principalities here. Okay? You're not thinking about the principles. I'm talking about the principles, right? All right, I'm gonna move up. I'm gonna move up again on on um, SPY SPX. I'm gonna send another order for short puts. In reality, we should be long SPY. De una espacio intermedio en Aguadilla me dejan saber. Pensé que había resolvado, pero parece que fue para. Va. Casino's trying to. Yeah, man. A lot of resistance around 419. No más no por ella. I should have been long. Should have flipped long right there. I just didn't believe in the long. Now, of course, it's a different story. Let's check. Let's take a look at Arc. Let's take a look at Roblox. Let's take a look at Pen. It's fucking Pens, man. Oh my God. Tesla 202, 202 and a half. Where are they rotating to besides the meta and all this kind of stuff, right? Banks? Is it the banks? Not really the banks. Where's that FCNCA? 1256. I mean, I got out. I got out. My price was like 1255, so I did pretty good on that. All right, guys. Oof. The fucking U-car. The U-car. That shit is not a short, man. Shit ain't a short. Look at all this size that you're getting thrown out on the fucking bid over here, man. I'm gonna cover another chunk. I got 10,000 shares left. Got short 415 put 50 cents, risking 10 here. All right. Program down on SPY here. Program down. That's interesting. That is interesting. Somebody here told me to check out the snow. Yeah. Let me check out the PLTR. Faded off that. The CVNA. All right, guys. I mean, I'm gonna eat, but it looks like this food ain't even coming until 10:45 though. No love. Oye, el torneo de Punta Cana es 9 a. I mean, they could really smoke me on the other side of this trade, right? On the SPX put sell side of this trade. They could totally smoke. Look at this. UCAR moving because of SDA. Oh, yeah. What are they both China? Holy shit, this SDA. What the hell is this thing went to $40? Bro, I thought this thing was 27 bucks yesterday. Holy shit, it hit 60 in the fucking pre-market. Yo. 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 Oh shit, there's the U-car, guys. It is not a short. I think SDA hasn't gotten halted yet, but this fucking U-car, do not fucking get stuck on this one. Nice, Goldman Sachs. Nice. Nice, bro. Nice. I'm gonna have to locate fucking 100,000 shares of this thing just to make the fucking loss back. Holy shit! $6. It might halt here. It might halt. They're stacking up this bid. It looks like we're about to halt here. And you should have went long from fucking 520, 530. We were talking about that level. Look at where it's limiting already. Well, UCAR. UCAR. Blur, no. Sang is getting killed. Fucking down 40 already. Yesterday I was up like 60. Today down fucking 40. Okay, here's the dip on the meta. Here's the dip on the meta. I might go ahead and buy some more meta here. They're gonna smoke me now out of my short puts too. And now this is just gonna be a huge fucking fuck you. So this is, I called it too in the beginning of the day, like, yo, I feel like I'm overtrading. I feel like I'm about to overtrade. And boom. Look at me now. Look at what they're limiting here on the UCAR. 630. 6 fucking 30. Meta, fresh. Where's Tesla? Tesla dumped out again. These are all programs. Yo, they're gonna come after everybody's fucking dollars here and chop the fuck out of everybody. I need to get some short calls at this point. I got no choice. So now I'm trying to get back into the short calls, right? The 4200s, which is a problem. But let's not do the 4200s. Well, yeah, probably too close on those. Let's tighten up the spread maybe. Let's just sell 25 here. Okay. I got some work cut out for me. Let's see if this fucking UCAR opens up. It's definitely going to open up higher. Definitely. But remember the fucking short float on this shit. Exactly. Goldman Sachs, you just got to move. And you got to anticipate. You got to move before. So I should have gotten out at $5. I had all day to get out at $5. JD blah 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 blah. There you go. Here, Lance here is playing it correctly. He's long from 518, which is the level, and he's out half at 595 before the halt, and boom, he's gonna get the gap up here, and he's gonna be looking good here. I like that. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and chill. If I overtrade now and fucking keep flipping in and out of these fucking short calls and puts here, I'm just gonna keep racking up the losers. So let me wait. Always gonna be careful. And then if they're running these programs, the premiums on the SPXs, they're gonna make it so that even if you're right on this shit, you still get smoked because your options go fucking 2x on you, and you can't hold them. Goldman Sachs saying it's gonna take its last piece UCAR at 630. Bueno, let's take a look at the flow here. Meta here, 270 calls. They're buying the dip here on that, but they're buying for Friday. CVNA, you got some puts here. Wells Fargo puts. CHWY, you got some calls here. PLTR calls, 23s here. They're buying for a couple of weeks out. They keep going after that CCJ. I haven't even looked at this thing. Already looked at this CCJ? Let's take a look at it. CCJ. Wow. Take a look at CCJ. What is this thing? I forgot what this thing is. Cameco? Wow. Check out this CCJ, guys. All right. They open up the U car. 640. 640 it fucking printed. Freslo Spy. Fuck. Getting fucking dished on this shit, man. CCJ here, they're still going after. 660 on the U car. Notice the Google, Amazon, and all these kind of other things, they just kind of did nothing. They're just doing nothing. There's still buyers on this U car. Where's the halt up? The next halt up is at $7. Next halt up on U car is at $7. I mean, it's changing, but if you look at the tape here, buyers keep coming back. Bids keep coming back. They keep coming back, and boom, take out offers. Bids keep coming. The bids keep stepping up. This shit ain't a short yet. Let's take a look at some other names. Microsoft, Nvidia, all this kind of stuff. Nvidia fucking faded it all back. Look at that shit. How many? Where's that AI? Nice dump on that AI from 34 and a half. $680, $680 U car, baby. Duke, of course I'm planning to short this thing again. Once I take a loss like that, I got to come back with 200,000 shares. $7 U car. They got another halt here at 717 now. It looks like. I'm stuck short. I'm stuck short 10,000 shares. I had 30,000, which was terrible. Okay, there's your pop. There's your pop on SPY. No revenge trading? Dude, that's my middle fucking name. What are you talking about? No revenge trading. Get the fuck out of here. That's what I do, bro. That's what I do, man. Fuck out of here. Nice pop SPY. Nice pop SPY. That's what we were looking for, right? So they popped the meta back up and all this kind of shit. I'm wicked, bro. This is what I'm saying here. So what do? I do dumb shit for a living. I do dumb shit for a living until I find something that I fucking lean into and I make a couple $1,000,000. All I got to do is stay alive. And staying alive for me now is relatively easier. This week I've been focused on 3 or 4 stocks a day and I was green the whole week. There you go, bro. But the week hasn't ended here. So you talking like the week's already fucking ended. Okay. KRE waking up. Fucking KRE. What the fuck is that thing? So notice now the tape on the U car. It just went. Those bids kind of disappeared a little bit, right? The strength of them just kind of disappeared a little bit. Again, are they gone? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But here we have a decent scenario here going where I can make 5 grand back there, another 7, so that's 12, plus another 5, that's 17, right? So that gets me back to fucking, you know, that gets me back. And then all I have to do is just figure out this U car, which I'll do, which I'll do now. Oh, what's going on with GS? Take a look at GS. Program down on that GS. Really interesting. But no, none of the other banks are doing it. There's some news out on this GS. Somebody's got to find it. JK is saying, Lucci, do you ever just trade a basket? Yeah, man. That's all I do. Just trade good setups on those. Sure. Again, JK, that's what everybody does until they don't and until they fuck it up. So yeah, go ahead and do that until you fuck it up, and then try it again, and then again, and again, and then again, and then a couple more times, and then 90 more times, and then 9,000 more times. Yeah, but that's exactly what I do. GS President Waldron says global markets environment will be challenging in the near term. I would buy that. I'd buy that. I would buy that shit. They're starting to throw bids back up on the U car. That you see, they're still eating. They're still eating supply up here on the U car. Notice the halt here went higher. I would totally buy stock in Goldman Sachs right now because that sell off, because they're not doing it in any other names. They're not doing it in JPM. They're not doing it in Bank of America. They're not doing it anywhere. And that, if that's the news, that's bullshit. Dude, day is day. I just saw 200,000 shares on the bid for UCAR. 300,000 shares on the bid for UCAR. Holy shit. This is halting again. There it is. There it is. There's the size. It's got 250,000 left. Oh shit. Everybody's going to cover in front of that. I mean, if you're short that and you see that order, get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck Who the fuck is on the bid here? And they hit it. They hit it too, so it's real. It's real. That is a real bid. Oh, change my screen. Yeah, my bad. That's a real bid. There it is. There it is. Here comes the halt. Here comes the halt. They keep moving it back up. There, here it is. Here it is. 739. They got on the halt. I mean, you see a 300,000 share bid? Are you fucking kidding me? They moved it to 47. Here it is. Here it is. Here's the halt. Here's the halt. This shit's going to 8. This shit's going to fucking 8. It's going to 8. Here's the halt. Here's the halt. Why did I get in this thing again? Yo, they didn't halt it, and now they just keep pushing this higher. Bro, this thing is going higher. This thing is going higher. Straight up. I mean, you put 300,000 shares on that bid. Yo, there's no way. Unless we need to see if that guy steps up, and he probably will. He probably will. If that guy gets taken out and he doesn't come back and he's done buying whatever the fuck he's buying, then you come in, you know. Then you start to come in. There you go. There's your halt. There's your halt. This thing's gonna bid up to fucking $8 easy. CAL. Okay, my food's coming. Shit's delayed though. Ay, mata por ella. I gotta book the I gotta book Punta Cana here. Fueron reservadas. GS CEO says softer quarter for markets and business. Prab is saying, am I still in Roblox and Meta? Can you fucking see my screen? Oh, I see. It's two. Yeah, I still got the Roblox and I still get the Meta, and I'm down on both of them. I'm down on both of them. Melly. Yeah, I mean, as soon as you saw that 300,000 order, you shit. Bruce is saying pins. Pins, we wait. Man, I'm getting like dizzy here. I need food. Uber is such a fucking waste. There's so many like slips in it. Like they're not even there to pick the shit up. Fucking bastards. Let's buy back to 420 if we hold these morning levels. Maybe. Maybe. Who knows? Where are we trading at? 41.87. Um, yeah, Nvidia popped back up. Sure, Microsoft did too. All right, so with spies and highs again, I mean, it's good here because we're eating the, we're making the money on the short puts, and then theoretically here we should be going higher on the meta here as well, right? We have 100. I think we have 100 of the meta. Oh, we have 75 of the meta. We're back to green on the meta. All right, UCAR open back up 780 here. 780. The spread's even wider. The spread's even wider now. So they don't know what to do here. But I'll tell you what, if that guy with the 200,000 shares, he moves up, this thing's going higher. Market at highs. IWM strong. They're gonna batch your order with someone who actually tips. June is so upset about me. Yo, dude, no driver's gonna pick it up for $2 fair, idiot. Yo, listen, man, you got a problem? You got a problem, June? Here, let me do you a favor here. Let me save you from your misery here, bro. Let me go ahead and save you. 850. 850 UCAR. It's gonna halt again. That buyer is sitting there on the bid, chomping it all up. Chomping it all up. Whip, up, up. Nice program back. A program up 419. Wow. Wow on SPY. WLDS, blah. Well, Paul, here's the thing. I still have 10,000 shares, so I didn't cover all of it. So I'm an idiot in reality. I'm a big idiot in reality. So I covered 20,000. Imagine if I had the full 30,000. You know? I mean, I covered, of course. In what scenario, though? What scenario are you talking about? The short puts? I mean, you saw me cover over half of it. I'm still stuck in half, though. And so that's the problem. In this scenario, I've left myself no kind of option here. So all I have to do is basically, continue to play with it. Jesus Christ, everybody on the U card, man. Just fucking sit here and watch then. Stop asking questions, man. He was talking about Dollar General. Wow. Wow. What happened? What happened? This is where we were at in the pre-market, by the way, on SPY. This is exactly where we are at in the pre-market on SPY. said their inventory is dog shit and their stores are dirty as fuck and no one wants to even walk in them. I mean, there's Dollar Tree. Tesla 203. Tesla 203. Yeah, man. Now you got to start looking at some certain shit here. That's CVNA, all this kind of stuff, right? All they're doing is just shaking people out. And I still think the move is long. The problem is you got to be in the right names, man. You got to be in the right names. Look at it. Look at them still going, man. Look at them still going. Poof, impressive. Meta here. Alex, do you have a problem with me not tipping as well, Alex? Is that is that do you would you like a timeout as well? Sophie, yeah. Sophie, let's take a look at some flow here. It's mostly calls. Um, yeah, I closed the sell side. I closed the sell side on those. JK, pay me. And no. All right, you car open back up. There's still there's still a lot of buyers here. And now that look at this, there's no liquidity anymore either. So it's not as there's before they were putting now I know what's going on here. Before there was size on both sides. They were controlling the price at around $5, 470 or whatever. So that guy could get fucking long a shit ton of shares. The stock doubled, man. I mean, we're looking at 470. This thing trades up to 9.5. That's what happened. That's exactly what happened. Because now that guy's not there. The stock is not being controlled anymore. It's very illiquid. So now you're not seeing big bids on the bid, sitting there on the bid and the offer controlling the price here. There's no liquidity on the upside. So they're gonna keep going with this. They're gonna keep going. Here comes the next halt. All right, there's program down on SPY. Meta here is at highs, FYI. Uh, I mean the good thing is I got the yeah, that BA. I mean that BA looks good. That BA does look good. Did you see these programs? Rancher, I got other problems here. I ain't worried about BA. Where's that AMC 460? Oh, that FCNCA hit 1270 here. Um, all right. I mean, fuck. I mean, I'll make more back on these short puts. The good thing, what I could do is bury the leg that I'm already premed that I already made most of the premium on, right, to get some leverage back and move up and then try to get 60 cents or so for this. So we're trading 41.96, right? So if we go to 41.70, that's a move to, yeah, man, I could do that. I could do that. 41, right? So we go to 41. Halted down? Whoa. Oh, shit. I guess I should have got the fucking $9 fill. So it halted down at 8. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Oh, shit. Well, I just rolled into the fucking 70s for 100 of them. Might be a little too early, though. Somebody's talking about Apple. That thing's been bullish. Remember, that program from yesterday, it's sold from right here. It sold from right here, the Apple. So it recovered the whole thing, you know? And then if you look at the meta here, the meta is starting to look really good. I mean, it was looking good this morning. It's just looking better. Nvidia back at 390. Oh, shit. Ba para para pa pow. Let's take a look at Roblox. Voy a jugar el torneo de Beach Tennis ahí en Punta Cana. Tienen. Somebody's saying U-car, it's time. Eh, eh, eh. All right, the good thing is that I'll make another 10. I can make another 10 grand back here plus another 5, right? So in reality, it's not going to be that bad. It ain't going to be that bad. And then if I can work down the loss on the U-car, which is going to require me to get to work on this thing for real, then, I'm only down 20. Sí, me podría indicar la fecha de entrada y salida y para cuántas personas. Una persona, un cuarto nada más para la fecha el 9 hasta la 11. Hasta el 11. I'll be right back. All right. Yeah. Todavía está caliente. Coño. They fucking didn't even cut it good. This U car is gonna halt up again. Well, me then cause they already got their size, bro. No, I don't tip Uber drivers. I never tip Uber drivers. Um, so me then they already purchased it. It's a tape thing, bro. You gotta learn how to retape. So you gotta pay me. Absolutely. At a restaurant, always, always. Well, if it's shitty food, no. If it's shitty food, I won't tip. Oh, June's back. What's up, June? And all right, I think we all need to calm down. Or let's just start. Let's just start giving timeouts here across the board here. Calm down, guys. It's not that serious. It's on a fucking stream. You see how emotional y'all are? just in fucking life. Imagine how y'all are in trading. Nabil is saying UCAR needs a change in tape, bro. So there's your 830. But just because you got your 830 doesn't mean shit. It needs a change in tape. Sellers got to take over here. You can't see this demand just, continue to push the stock up. You know, you might have something. Question is should I start adding here? Um, Bruce is saying AI is weird with the bounce after earning. 35. I mean, dude, it wasn't a bad report. All right, I'm gonna start a small ad. All right, because I got to start adjusting this cost down anyway. U Power Limited has partnered with Quantum Solutions to develop EV-related initiatives in Japan, including new energy vehicles, battery swapping tech, and EV charging services. Oh man, it's so good. I gotta rest this knee, man. Fuck. How'd you guys do on it today? Hey Matt. Hey Matt. Um, this guy's saying, how much is your options course, and do you offer payment plans? 4 grand, no payment plan. All right, guys. I went ahead. If if you're already a customer with us, Matt may give you a payment plan. I went ahead and got 15,000 shares for the um for the UCAR. All right, so Gary, um, Gary, go ahead and hit that link and schedule a call with the guy. You know, see if you can sweet talk the man into giving you something. Okay, this tape looks a little bit different now. You know, it looks a little bit different now. It looks like there's sellers holding the offer down, and it looks a little bit different, right? So let's stack this up, right? And then what we'll do is we'll start shorting on pops on UCAR, right? And Gary, his name is Matt. Pa que sepa. Notice the meta here trailed off. ENPH fresh highs. Look at the Tesla. I like the Tesla for a creeper 210, man. Let's look at some flow here. They're buying the win calls. Remember, win has been beaten down. Tesla here, they're buying 217 calls and 205s. You know, for next week, this week. The 217 calls are obviously the lotto ticket here for this week, but I like it. I do like it. I like it. I got to send reject because I don't have any fucking buying power. Oh, shit. All right, I got to get out of some short puts. Okay. So according to this, I'll make back another 10, 15. And then if I can cut this loss down on UCAR, then I'm good to go. Here's SPY for the fresh high. You see that? You see again? Tape on UCAR here. It's still, it's still bid. It's still bid. You want to see them fade this. You want to see them fade this rally. You don't want to see this rally take hold here. So you don't want to see buyers here continuing to be able to step up and take control of this tape. If you do, this shit ain't ready. I'll get you your. I'll figure. Yes, getting fucked. You see what I'm saying? Like this tape here, the bids here are still in control. And once they start realizing, once everybody else starts realizing this, if anybody who shorted this with me, they're gonna get out too. You know what I mean? And that's enough to push us right back to highs anyway. Nice move on SPY. That was the move for the day, by the way. Just fucking long SPY. I like the Tesla. I really like the Tesla. 205 calls are going for $3. Right, so if we were to look at this Tesla. Okay, so that moved back down on UCAR. Here we already got 420 here on SPY. Wow. Fat move SPY. So that's, that's telling me too that in the last couple of days, as they've tried to, pull people back in short, they're still under the hood buying all this shit, right? CVNA, look at this, 15 and a quarter. You look at ARC, this thing is almost back to 41. 41, we were trying to buy the breakout over there. So it's just a matter of time before they start buying my pins. Just a matter of time. Microsoft here, 330. If you take a look at the win here, probably bouncing back. Let's take a look at the NVIDIA. And 393 on that NVIDIA. Look at, it's almost as if nothing happened. This AMD is a laggard. AMD's a laggard. You can get a move to 120 on this. Apple, yep. Poco a poco. All right, let's buy another 25 of that meta. Right, because I like the long in general. I like the long. The question is you got to be in the right names. You have to be in the right name. So what I need to do is buy some Tesla for what? Right? For I don't know. I mean, if we buy it for today, doesn't really give us some time. If we buy it for next week, we can buy the 210s, and we're long from $5. Let's buy 25 of those just to mess around here. Again, the goal is fucking work the premiums on the short puts here. I think I can even roll up again, but if I roll up again, you're getting close. You know, so if I sell the 4180, let's say, right? So let's say we sell the 4180. We sell the 4180, that's 24 points away, right? So 418 and a quarter. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. What up, man? If you take a look at that U car, again, tape's not showing. Tape's not showing the selling yet. So be super careful. Man, so I don't think you piked that shit at all, man. It's tough to remain. Again, it's the emotions too. You know what I mean? It's like if you're in something and it's working, what everybody needs to do is just continue to focus on the tape and continue to analyze if we should stay in it or not. The problem is we get emotional, and obviously the shit's moving fast. You pull a point, 2 points on this thing. I mean, it's like holy fuck. Of course you're gonna take some off, you know. New American is saying sell 422 spy calls for today. I see what you're saying. Yeah, yeah, not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. I think I'm gonna chill because if I can get all this premium back, I'm good there. And then I'll just wait for them to rotate into the shit that I got, which is depends. And then go from there. All right, guys. I think I'm basically done for the day here, though. As far as the stream goes, I'll be sitting here. And look at the wide range now. So now we're in a range of 417 to like 420, 421. So it's a new range. This is a fresh new range. And a lot of people shorted. A lot of people shorted, assuming that, you know, we were actually going to break down. And if you look at how Apple is trading and all this kind of stuff is trading, shit don't look like it's fucking wants to sell. Program down on the Tesla. That's what we want to buy. So let's add to Tesla short, or sorry, long. Somebody said lift. Oh, yeah, lifts into the gap too. Notice the Roblox and these things are fading. Take a look back at that U car. I mean, again, this shit ain't ready. Shit ain't ready. Yo, AI back to 36, man. Damn, Joel, we forgot about you. Joel was gonna buy this shit at $32. No love. We totally forgot about Joel. Ujú, ujú. So, vamos a hacerlo ahora mismo.
Vamos a hacerlo ahora mismo, aunque esté así de... Está subiendo mucho ahí, pan. ¿Qué tú dices?
Tú puedes poner un límite para que cuando baje, tú estás ahí para comprarlo. Si tú quieres hacer eso.
Como por ejemplo, ahora está subiendo, mira, ahí sigue bajando, Ahí yo no sé.
Or, or, tú puedes comprar una cantidad bien mínimo, solo para saber cómo tú lo haces.
Claro,
Y después vuelve a
a
poner un
comprar.
límite. Exacto.
Dale, pues ya tengo aquí.
Ok. So, déjame ver la pantalla tuya. I mean, how many people got stuck short in that AI, man? You can see it. You can see it. They see the earnings. They're like, holy shit, this thing's going down $20. Mira, no veo tu pantalla, Joel.
¿No la ves?
No,
La estoy presentando.
coño.
Mira a
So
ver en OBS.
in a stream, it's delayed. It is delayed, bro.
No te sale en OBS.
En OBS. ¿Qué OBS? ¿Tú quieres que yo te añade en bajo de OBS una pantalla para ti?
No, no, no. Ese es que no sé por dónde
Ahora
tú.
sí. Ahora sí, yo veo la pantalla.
Ey, ve, él había cambiado. So, tienes un delay grande. Vamos allá.
Sí.
Mira a ver.
Ok. So vamos a hacer. Wow. So todavía no tienes un market order. Wow. No, you have buy order market. Dice ahí. All right. So now ponga $100 o $50 o $75.
Puse 100.
Dale. Dale. So ponga ahí mismo.
Pero sin un
En la
limit order, sin nada. Simplemente
No, 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 un buy order market. Ya,
ya.
ya, ya, ya tú tienes puesto.
Ok. Entonces review order.
Coño, cambiate la pantalla a la mía y yo no puedo ver tu pantalla.
No, pero ya volví. Deja que salga el delay.
Ok. AI. Is Soros short AI? He's really short it? Hmm. Ok, ahí está. Alright, so bajo de dólares. Ok, bajo de buy en dólares. No, 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 está bien ahí. Bajo, exacto, la cantidad. Ponga 100. Boom. Ok, y boom. Review order. Review order.
Y ya, entonces bye.
Sí, pero ¿dónde no sale nada?
Lo que sucede es que acuérdate que está delayed. So, el precio sigue fluctuando ahora. Está en 37.
No, no.
36.95. 37.
Sí, sí, sí. Está bien, está bien. Ahora está a 37.
So
So,
ya.
boom. Hit buy.
Ya le dije hit buy en 37.01.
Sí, pero ¿viste lo que pasó? Right? So, you need to know what you're doing. That way, inmediatamente cuando tú quieres coger un precio, boom. Tú no estás esperando, tú no estás hesitando, tú no estás, you know what I mean?
Exacto.
Because in the time that it took us,
Cambió mucho de precio.
the
Demasiado.
fucking thing went up 6 points, bro.
Literal.
So, ¿tú lo compraste, sí o no?
Sí, 37.01.
Ok. ¿Y tú puedes ver en tu posición o porque tu pantalla todavía está en buy?
No, sí, ya se ve la posición. Ahora, pues, ahora veo obviamente total today's return, total return, los shares que compré, etcétera. El
Okay,
average cost
okay. Pero ¿dónde está eso? Yo no puedo ver nada
en el medio.
en el medio. Okay, okay. Dale. Ya está. Okay.
Exacto.
So, ahora tú sabes, ahora tú sabes. Y cuando quieres venderlo, tú puedes poner un límite. Vamos a poner un límite donde tú quieres comprar más. So, vamos a poner $100 más in like $33. Do that.
Ok. So ahora voy
So,
a ir a limit order.
el limit order, exactamente. Y tú vas a poner el precio ahí.
Limit price va a ser $33. Melvin, compré aproximadamente 3 shares, exactamente. 2.70 shares. So, ahí. Fractional, I guess.
Sí, sí.
So, yo hago un limit order en $33 para que
Ajá,
cuando esa acción toque ese precio,
ajá.
automáticamente compre $100 más.
Ujú,
So, aquí
exactamente.
expires good till canceled, right?
Ujú, ujú. Good till cancel.
Entonces,
Ujú,
hay que poner la cantidad de shares.
ujú.
So, vamos a comprar 3 shares. Que
Tres
van,
shares.
que van a salir
Exacto.
en exactamente
Sí,
$100.
exacto.
So, review order. Allow this order to execute during extended hours. No puedo.
Sí, I mean, si no te permite hacer eso, fine, pero it would be nice if you could
Ya.
allow it to execute
Sí, lo
because
pen...
this thing moves in the after hours like a lot.
So, chequéate. Ahí hit buy again.
Okay, perfecto. Y ahora tenés una orden que está ahí mismo.
So, esas son dos maneras que yo puedo comprar como quien dice.
Sí, exactamente.
Ok, cool. So, vamos a ver qué pasa. Volvemos la semana que viene a ver en cuánto está el AI.
Ujú.
O cuando vuelva, porque la semana que viene no voy a estar. Aunque te envíe screenshots desde casa.
All right. All right, so we got another possible on the U car. I'm not going to add. I'm not going to add yet. I want to see. I want to see this tape because I might be doing the same thing that it did at $5. At $5, right? But if I'm able to average my cost down, I might be able to get out for fucking break even here, which would be huge. Which would be huge. Oh, I still have a 25 lot of SPX calls, which are now trading up to $1. Oh, interesting. And those are the 42 and a quarters, which we are now trading 42.04. I'm going to sell those. Okay. Let me get some water. Guys, I think we're going to wrap it up, though. Yeah, King Oliver, if I get 6.5, I'm super happy. I'll be able to get out for break even. And that'll cover me back the 30 grand that I'm down, which is huge, you know? So I'd be super happy about that. But again, the tape is not, it's not there yet. Look at it. Look at this. You see what I mean? They're trapping more people, even more people here. Me then, it's all gonna happen when it happens, man. We're all working on it. My team is working on it. It's it's slow right now, so it'll happen when it happens, and whatever happens will happen. It changes all the time too. So
Can you hire a developer with no skill?
All right, let's call it. Let's call it, Joel. Guys, we will be back tomorrow, and we'll see you here tomorrow.
Sí,
Later, guys.
dale.